Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So in this video, let us solve one problem from mesh analysis from video question paper. So you can see here, we need to find Vx using mesh analysis. Before that, just see Vx they were mentioned here and they are given the polarities. So you need to observe in a circuit diagram, it is a three loop diagram. In that one loop current they are given already, that is 1 ampere which is flowing. Before that, I'm giving a loop direction of current. Here I1 which is flowing, I'm just assuming here. Similarly, I2 is flowing here, you can see. And for this loop, I3 which is flowing. Whatever the loop direction you can give now. Okay. So you can observe here I2. So the value of I2, they are only given here. That is 1 ampere which is flowing. See. But now the loop direction which opposes the current direction, so that I2 I can rewrite here as I2 equals -1 amperes. They are only given. So that no need to apply any KVL to this particular second loop. So now apply KVL to the loop A, B, C, A. So apply KVL to A, B, C, A as in given clockwise direction, so that I'm considering that only. Before that, just see here Vx. So this Vx is having a polarity of plus and minus, and current also which is flowing from positive to minus here in this loop. So that I can write here Vx which is given by 1 into I1 plus 1 into I1 because it following the same direction of current. So now we apply KVL to this loop. I can write here minus 1 into I1, that is nothing but minus I1, and here plus 2 minus. So I'm writing here minus 3 into I1 minus I2, minus 3 into I1 minus I2, where you already know the value of I2, that is minus 1 ampere. Similarly, we'll be having the voltage source, that is minus 10. Then you can see here current which is flowing from plus to minus here, that is minus 4 into I1 minus I3, that is equals to 0. So just doing the simplification now, you can see minus I1 minus 3I1 minus into minus plus 3I2, whereas I2 is minus 1, plus 3 into I2 value is minus 1, minus 10 minus 4I1 plus 4I3 equals to 0. You see minus 1I1 minus 3 minus 4, that is nothing but minus 8I1, and minus 3 minus 10, that is minus 13. Similarly, we'll be having 1I3, that is plus 4I3 equals to 0. We'll get one equation, that is minus 8I1 plus 4I3 equals to 13. This is equation number 1. Similarly, apply KVL to the loop ACDEFA. Apply KVL to, you can see this, A to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to A. You can see A to C, current which is flowing from plus to minus, that is minus 4 into I3 minus I1, whereas I3 is minus I1. Similarly, you can see here plus to minus, minus 6 into I3 minus I2, I3 minus I2. Similarly, plus 20, and observe plus 20 now. Similarly, you can see here plus to minus, minus 5 I3, equals to 0. So now simplify this. We know that I2 is minus 1. Substitute the value of I2. Before that, I'll simplify this. Minus 4I3 plus 4I1 minus 6I3 minus into minus plus 6 into I2 is minus 1 plus 20 minus 5I3 equals to 0. Now we can see only one I1 is there. That is 4 into I1 minus 4I3 minus 6I3, that is minus 10 minus 5 minus 15I3. Similarly, you can see here minus 6 plus 20, 14. You send that to right side, minus 14. This is equation number 2. 20 minus 6, 14. You send that to right side, minus 4. So now solve this equation. Solve equation 1 and 2 with the help of calculator. Then you'll get the value of I1 and I3. Then you can get the value of Vx. That is, I1 value is nothing but Vx. So you can see minus 8 and 4, 13. Similarly, 4, minus 15 and minus 14. So you can get the value of I1 as minus 1.366. I1 is minus 1.3365 amperes. Similarly, I3 is 0.5769. 0.5769 amperes. So you can get the value of Vx now. We will write it here. Vx is nothing but 1 into I1. So that 1 into I1 is nothing but minus 1.3365 volts. Similarly, you can find power at 10 voltage source. So power at 10 voltage source is given by P10 equals voltage value is 10 and current flows through that is I1 minus I2. 10 into I1 minus I2. This is modulus I'll use because power is a scalar quantity. So that you can get 10 into I1 minus I2. So I1 you know, I2 you know, I1 minus I2 is nothing but minus 3365 minus into minus plus 1 can get minus 0.3365 minus 0.3365, that is a modulus. You can get power at 10 ohm as 10 into this, that is nothing but 3.365 watts. So this is the solution. So if you like this video, kindly do subscribe and share maximum. If you're having any doubts regarding this, feel free to write in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.